The realm's most powerful gods retreated as the demon laughed victoriously. The humiliated gods regrouped and accepted their defeat, but someone suggested combining their powers into a being who could kill the demon. The gods agreed. The assembled gods noticed the divine feminine power was missing and summoned it. The power formed a woman. The gods fed their powers into her, and a divine being of unbelievable beauty opened her eyes. She was the Hindu warrior goddess Durga, and this is Legends from the Pacific. Aloha, namaste, and thank you for joining us. This is Legends from the Pacific, episode 65, the Hindu warrior goddess Durga. I am Kamuela Kaneshiro, a native Hawaiian professional writer, speaker, and Comic-Con panelist with extensive film and television experience. I study mythology, I've encountered unusual things, and I'm a geek. Would your friends and family like to hear about Asian and Pacific folklore? Well, tell them about our show. This simple request goes a long way in helping us grow our show. Mahalo to those of you who wrote in requesting this episode. As a quick refresher, Hinduism is a dominant religion for some Pacific cultures, and Durga was mentioned in episode 7 about Rangda. If there's a story you would like me to cover, please write in and let me know. Also, don't forget to send me your unusual Asian and Pacific encounters so I may share them with our stories on future episodes. Later in this episode, your featured song and Hawaiian word, but now, Durga. Researching Durga was challenging because there's so many translations and interpretations. Please keep this in mind since some details you may know may vary. Durga is Sanskrit for something unbreakable, a fort or a place that is unreachable. Durga has the traditional third eye and 10 arms, though she's sometimes depicted with 8. After the gods created her, they gifted her with enchanted items, which she holds in her hands. By the way, the demon in our opening story was named Mahishasura, which means buffalo demon. Durga is more powerful than most of the gods who created her, and she is considered their equal. Because of Durga's strong feminine power, known as Shakti, Durga has been referred to as Mother Durga, or Ma Durga, or Durga Ma. Durga rides upon a lion or tiger, which is not only transportation, but an extension of her power. Many feel Durga is the perfect warrior and mother. The following is a Legends from the Pacific original story and is based on cultural records. As the buffalo demon celebrated his victory over the gods, an unbelievably beautiful woman approached. The demon believed the mysterious beauty was there to entertain him, but the various enchanted weapons in her hands implied otherwise. I, Durga, shall kill you. The demon laughed. You? The gods couldn't defeat me. What makes you think you can? Come here and entertain me, woman. I am a goddess. Durga lunged at the demon. He barely dodged her attack and scurried away. Durga's eyes glowed, as the demon howled and charged the goddess. They fought, but the demon was no match for Durga's enchanted weapons and might. Durga towered over the demon. He smiled. "Durga, let's stop this nonsense. You are too beautiful to be a fighter. Give up this charade. Cast your weapons aside, and I will bestow upon you the honor of being my wife." Durga sneered. "Only the man who can best me in combat shall be worthy enough to be my husband." The goddess killed the demon, mounted her lion, and rode off to join the gods. You can help support our show, enjoy unaired monthly stories, and other nifty benefits by becoming a Legends from the Pacific Patreon supporter. Your financial support helps improve our show and helps keep us going. So become a Legends from the Pacific Patreon supporter today. As of this recording, all of our funding is going directly into our show, and I have yet to receive any type of payment. Today, Durga is celebrated during the 10-day festival of Durga Puja. Durga has about 108 names, and most chant all her names during Durga Puja. Durga Puja occurs in the latter part of the year. In 2021, Durga Puja will be from October 6th to the 15th. However, the festival's significant days are the last 5. The festival's 8th day represents Durga's victory over Mahisasura, so offerings and sacrifices made to Durga represent the demon. While documents imply human sacrifices may have occurred in the far past, goats are the ideal present-day sacrifice. Also, many pray to Durga for her motherly protection. Switching gears to Star Wars, the feminine power Shakti is also the name of the Jedi mistress Shakti who lived during the Clone Wars. I feel Durga not only represents feminine power, but female independence, and a reminder that women should be treated as man's equal. If you feel our show deserves 5 stars, please give us that rating, write a review, and share Legends from the Pacific with your friends and family. I'd really appreciate it. A quick mahalo for your understanding that this episode is late. Please listen to last week's episode for more information. Our theme song is Mystery by Tavana, courtesy of High Sessions. Sound effects are by Sound Effects Factory. Our music coordinator is Matt Duffy, a.k.a. DJ Triple Bypass. Links and show notes can be found on our website, legendsfromthepacific.com, including a link to your featured song, which is Ku'ule Ku'uipo by Danny Carvalho, courtesy of High Sessions. Legends from the Pacific was written, produced, and edited by me, Kamuela Kanashiro. I also wrote our original stories. Your featured Hawaiian word is popoki. Popoki means cat. An example of popoki is Alice in Wonderland's Cheshire Cat is a mysterious popoki. Once again, popoki is Hawaiian for cat. Thank you very much for listening. Mahalo and a hui ho.
Are you here for a short time? For the rest of